the kind of overall gist of this extra credit project is that you have won the lottery, and that means that you won $1 million. Okay. But there is a catch. You have to use as much money as possible without going over the $1 million. Okay. As much as you can. You want to try to use it up as much as you can. So the 5 different things that you're going to spend money on are going to be a house. So you're actually going to go to Zillow and look at houses. A car. You're going to do a savings account for your future. So like how much college is going to cost for whatever career path you choose. Choose 2 charities to donate to. And then you're going to think of an all-inclusive family vacation for you and your family. Okay? It's pretty simple, y'all. There's not that much to it. I figured this would be more fun to do than something like a worksheet. Okay? All right, so let's take a look at each one before I give you guys the link. This is your house slide. So when you get the link, what you're going to do is click on this link. Well, on your slide, actually, there will be a box up here where you click on that box and it'll take you to Zillow. So for your house, you have to spend between $185,000 and $400,000. And so what you're going to do is you're going to search Zillow for the city that you want to live in. Okay, it does not have to be the city that you live in right now. And look through those houses. Pick one that's between this dollar amount. And all you have to do is type in the address right here on your ClassKick and then write the price of that house. Okay, that's all you have to do for your house. For your car, it's very similar. There'll be a box up here for you to click on the car's website. You're going to search that website and choose a car between $32,000 and $69,999. Okay, your car has to be between that price range. So when you find the car you want, you're going to list the make and the model. So for example, a Honda Pilot. Okay, that's the make and the model. And then you're going to list the price. Okay, that's all you have to do for your car. Then the savings account is a little bit different. So think about what you want to go to college for or trade school, or kind of what you want your career to be. Okay, if you want to be a nurse, whatever you want to be. Then you're going to Google how much will it cost for you to go to school to be a blank, whatever that is. You're going to list your chosen career. So for example, I would put teacher here, and then you're going to list the amount right here that it's going to cost for you to go to school to be that thing. Okay. The next to last one is your 2 charities. So you're going to go, there'll be a button right here to click on to go to look at some different charity options. You have 1 charity and 2 charities that you have to choose to donate to. You're going to donate to each one of these charities between $50,000 and $100,000. It's up to you how much you want to donate to each of those. Okay. And then the very last thing that you're going to do is pick a vacation to go on with your family. And you can use Google again and type in where you want to go. So for example, if I wanted to go to Jamaica with my family, I would type in how much is an all-inclusive vacation to Jamaica, or just type in all-inclusive vacation to wherever you want to go. Okay, and find a price. The price that you're going to find is probably per person. So you need to figure up however many people are in your family. Let's say my price per person was $1,000. Well, if I have 3 people in my immediate family that I live with, I'm going to multiply that by 3 to get my price. Okay, because I'll have to pay that for each individual person. Okay. Then at the very end, what you're going to do is go through each of these slides and get the total price and list them all right here. You're going to add them all together and then subtract that from your $1 million to see how much money you have left over. Okay, let me check questions really quick. Samaya, yes, if it's between those numbers, that's fine. And you'll see the ranges when I give you the link. All right, so here we go. Y'all don't type in the room chat for me. Let me give you your link. So it's very important when you log into ClassKick, use a name that you're going to remember if you need to log back in. Okay, go ahead and click the link in the chat box. To open yours. Aiden, go ahead and click the link in the chat box for me. Okay, I'm going to screen share what you guys are seeing, and we'll go through it together. Okay, so this is what you should be seeing on the first slide. Give me a green check when you see this on the first slide. Gunnar, if you've already done it, just stay and listen and make sure you did it correctly. All right, I got 9 people, 10 people that are ready. Ralph, Hawk, Nevaeh, Melody, Emma, Kamarian, y'all let me know when you are ready and you're on the same slide as me. All right, for time's sake, we're going to go ahead and move on. So go up to the top up here and click the arrow to go to the second slide. That is your instructions. We've already read over those. So let's go ahead and go to slide number 3, where your house slide is. Okay, so here is the link for Zillow. You're going to click on that link. And this is what Zillow looks like. Okay. So this is where you're going to type the city in that you want to live in. So I'm just going to pretend I want to live in, let's say, Orange Beach, Alabama. Okay. And you're looking for sale, not for rent, for sale. Okay. So all of these houses are in Orange Beach, condos, whatever they are. So you guys look through your city and then look through what it pops up for you and select one. So like if I wanted this one right here, I'd click on it. You can look through the pictures to make sure that's what you want. Here's the price. And right underneath it is the address. So I would highlight that, copy the address, go back to my ClassKick right here, use the text tool, and put my address in. Okay, so there's the address. Then go back and look at the price. Mine was $399,000. So I'll use the text tool again to put in my price. Okay, and that is it for your house. Any questions about how to find a house on Zillow? All right, let's move on to slide 4. I know you're probably still looking through houses, and that's okay. You can leave Zillow up, but just for the sake of time, and then I'll give y'all some time when we're finished at the end to work and really choose what you want. So slide 4 is your car. So same thing, you're going to click this cars.com button. And we're looking for a car between $32,000 and basically $70,000. So here is where you're going to, oh wait, Here is where you're going to select the make of your car, the model, and then the distance away from you where you'll have to travel to go get it. So I'm just going to type, I have Honda Pilot, and I don't want it to be any further than about 75 miles away from me. So I'm going to scroll through. I like this one, so I'm going to click on it. And so I'm just going to select this, copy it, go back to Classkick, paste it because that had all of the information in it. Honda Pilot is the make and model. And then the price was $49,050. So $49.50. Okay, and that's all you would do for your car. Well, Alex, if that's the cheapest, you're going to have to find a different car. Okay, any questions about a car? All right, so let's go on to slide 5. This is your savings account. So I'm just going to put my career right here, teacher. That's what I wanted to be. And then what I'm going to do is go to Google and type in, how much does it cost to become a teacher on average? This is $10,000 to $30,000. I'm just going to select the higher amount, $30,000, and go back to my Classkick and put that on there for the amount that I want to save. Okay. So teacher and 30,000. You can choose any career. You just need to figure out how much you need to save to be able to do that career. Okay. And then slide number 6 is your charities. So you're going to click this link. That's going to take you to some different charities you can choose from. It doesn't matter which ones. I just need to know the name of the charity and how much you are donating to them. It needs to be between 50 and 100,000 each. Okay. So here is the different charities, and you're just going to scroll down. And I'm going to choose this as my first one. So I'm just going to Native American Heritage Association. I'm going to type that right here. And I'll make that smaller so it fits. And I'm going to donate $75,000 to them. And then I'm going to go back and choose another one. And I'll do the Scholar Match Incorporated. and I'll donate the same to them. Well, I'll do 80,000 to them. Okay, that's all you have to do for your charity. All right, now the last thing that we're doing is your vacation. So you can click on this to go to Google. I'm going to type all inclusive vacation to Hawaii. And I'll look at this one. That wasn't a very good one, so let's go to the next one. So here's one. I'm just going to select this one. And I'm going to write Turtle Bay Resort in Hawaii. And it is $2,327 per person. So I'm going to have to multiply that by 3. Which is going to be 6,981 total. Okay. And then on the last page is where you add up all of your spending. So make a text box. I'm going to go here first. So that's 6,981. And then this one was 75,000 and 80,000. My career was 30,000. My car was 49,050. And my house was 399,000. So let's see what my total is. 6,981 plus 75,000 plus 80,000 plus 30,000 plus 49,050 plus 399,000. My total is 640,031 dollars. So to find the leftover, you do your total minus 1 million. So I have $359,969 left. So that is what I would type down here at the bottom. And that's it. So once you finish this, since it's in Classkick, you don't need to save it. You don't need to download it. As long as it's your name is on there, I will know who to give the extra credit to. And you should see that in your grade book within the next couple of weeks. Okay.